Welcome to Bob Pulte Chevrolet's social media channels. This will be going up on YouTube, Instagram. I would imagine I'm probably going to put it on Facebook in the next day or so also. Starting from a different place than normal. One, I'm excited. It's nice to do something a little different here. We have a 2022 Silverado 1500 High Country with the 5.3 liter engine. MSRP is $72,960. We are honoring GM employee pricing, supplier pricing, and of course any other additional rebates you might come with. This one has some fun features. I got to figure out how to make it work, but it does come with obviously the 12-inch touchscreen radio. It's got the 15-inch heads-up display, adaptive cruise control, the power sunroof. You're gonna have the heated and vented, cooled leather seats. Just a boatload of features on this one. I love this truck. I might sell my house and move into it. We'll see what the better half thinks about that. Got a little second row action there. I'm going to shut this. It still has to go through being cleaned up from the factory. We just finished up with it going through the service inspection for the vehicle. Make sure everything is as it should be. Get out here. Of course, you're gonna have the Bose sound system. Got the assist steps. We got the 22-inch chrome wheels. Those are dealer installed. Gonna have the 12 tie downs in the back. Looks like, man, I love fall, but I hate leaves, mostly because I have to rake them. So of course, leaves are everywhere. We do have the multiflex tailgate. And that's also going to have the multi-flex step up for that. I just love the fact that you can open this with the remote. Of course, you're going to have remote start. Has the trailering package on it, which is also going to include the hitch guidance, trailer brake controller. You see the 120 volt power outlet there. There's the emblem. We did black out the bow ties. They know what makes me happy. Hopefully that makes you guys happy too. It's got also adaptive ride control for the suspension. I already talked about the adaptive cruise control. I'm going to have a link below with more information. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 513-932-0303. Thank you and have a great day.